So this is our stay in Thorpe Park in one of the shark cabins they have there, which is ideally situated just inside the park. When we left our room, it took about 5 to 10 minutes to be able to go on our first ride. It's that close. It's a really pretty area when everything there has got a nautical theme to it. So we stayed here as a family of 4 in June. We stayed for 2 nights and had a 3-day pass, and for the family of 4 it came to £370. Absolutely perfect and such a bargain. Here's the room tour. Screaming or dreaming? Can you?
Yeah, screaming.
So you've got an option to change it round, dreaming or screaming. At the moment we are screaming. Like that. So this is a Thorpe Shark cabin. We're in room 250. So this is very cozy, but it's got everything you need. So nice. I've been told these are really comfy beds. So it's a double bed, an island like no other. You've got the TV there. Then the bunk beds, obviously. Some storage underneath, I think both of them. Yeah. Then we have a bottle of water, a kettle, the remote control, waste disposal bin, 2 towels, some storage, very pretty storage, toilet roll, nice lot of plugs which will come in handy because I've got lots of things to charge up. Then another 2 towels there, 3 towels I think, so we have I think 5 towels and a hand towel by the looks of it. A lavatory. There's me after a long day in the parks. And the shower is like a wet room. I've been told as well that the best thing to do when you're showering is take everything out of the shower that you don't want to get wet, including the toilet paper. So before showering, make sure that you take everything out of the wet room. We have requested a second room. There's 4 of us sleeping in here tonight, so it will be very, very cosy. So we have asked for a second room, but at the moment they're fully booked. So unless, I suppose, somebody cancels at the last minute, there shall be 4 of us sleeping in this boudoir tonight. But to be honest, we've had a long day in the parks, so I think it'll be fine. 4 of us sleeping here, cosy and cuddly and fine. Overall, this was fantastic value for money and we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. We'll definitely return. A huge thank you to Charlotte, who was really helpful in reception, Mandy, who was bright and chirpy each morning, greeting us, stood outside reception, and Bradley, who welcomed us to breakfast each morning. Also a huge thank you to my good friend Sam, who helped organise this trip for us.